Okay, are you guys ready for the inaugural run for my way too powerful, now missing a nozzle because I had to move and everything. The nozzle is, yeah, but I built a control box. I haven't, hang on, let me just try out this fun little pillar thing. That didn't work because the wires are so stiff. So that did not work as intended. Who cares? It's better for non-wired stuff. Anyways. Whew. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous now because I had to take off every wire. I have to take off everything to cut holes into this and wire everything back up, and I haven't tested anything. I haven't even plugged it in. So wish me luck, and I'm gonna try and do this one-handed. Let's see what happens. Oh God. I have a contact up there. Okay, so far so good. Now, I rewired the amp meter so that it now only activates when the button is on. So again, noise warning. Oh, I can't have that there because that would suck in just about anything. So I need that like... there should be safe. Sort of. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Oh, that was good. No wiring. Oh, so, thanks guys. Bye.